Good afternoon, sir. This is Kent Carl Aripal, a Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, third year. So today we were going to discuss about the safety and emergency procedures during changeover of main engine and the steering gear system. We're going to discuss about the changeover of main engine. So first, we don't have main engine here, so just use our imagination na lang. So first, if they have emergency situation, we must inform the bridge and the changeover control for the engine room. Then, put a blocking device on main engine governor for emergency position. So, yun na yun siya. Move the impact hand wheel to opposite position by turning it anti-clockwise. Then, disconnect the fuel pump from the governor and connect it to regulating hand wheel on engine side control. So pag imagine lang po natin napakahirap 'di ba kung wordings lang kasi wala tayong makita talaga. So ano lang tiis-tiis. Next is change over valve from remote to emergency control to the other side. So nagiging ano na sila yung automatic na yung emergency na lahat. Unlock the fuel, regulating handle lock and move it to the start position. Yan yung from man to unman na sila na procedures. Then uh, from engine side telephones, check the communication with the bridge. So this is important talaga yung contact natin from the bridge saka sa amin engine. And then on receiving orders from the bridge kasi yun na from sa bridge mo talaga gumagawa ng order, kumukuha ng order. So we're gonna talk about the procedures for emergency steering operation. So the procedures and the diagram for operating emergency steering should be displayed in a steering gear room and bridge. But unfortunately, we have no diagram to show because we are not on board. So for today, we're gonna discuss how and the important matters. So even in an emergency situation, we cannot turn the massive rudder by hand or any other means that's why hydraulic motors is given supply for emergency generators directly through the emergency switchboard. That is from SOLAS regulation. It should be also displayed in a steering room. Then, ensure a clear communication for emergency operation via VHF or ship's teleport system. Mm. Normally, a switch is given in the power supply panel for steering gear for telemotor switch off and the supply for the panel. Then the change the mode of operation by selecting the switch for motor which is supplied into emergency power. Then there is a safety pin. The safety pin, you must look for the safety pin. And the manual operation helms well so that during normal operation, a manual operation always remains in cut-off mode. Then remove the pin from the safety pin. Remove the pin and a helm wheel is provided which controls ano yun? The flow of oils in the ram and rudder. Then connected it into the angle indicator. Then the wheel can be turned clockwise and anti-clockwise for going port or starboard or vice versa. Yes. So it is there a power failure. It is a power failure through sound power or telephone receives order from the bridge and the rudder angle. As soon as they get order, turn the wheels and check the rudder angle indicator. That's the safety procedures. Unfortunately, it's so hard to elaborate and discuss because we don't have any diagrams or any actual machinery here. We don't have the steering gear, uh, but what I have doing is just na lang, explaining na lang to you how. You just imagine it kung alam natin kung saan nakalagay siya. So, just imagine na lang kung saan yun siya, yung pin, yung wheel. So, mahirap talaga pag lang. So, kung gusto lang natin, mas madali sana kung meron tayong makikita actual kaso wala. So, yeah, ganun na lang muna. So, thank you.